standing right along the shores of Blood Creek here at the Cheyenne Bottoms Preserve. One of the problems over the years is tree encroachment has come a major problem. And so we hope through what's called the North American Waterfowl Conservation Act grant is to remove these trees along Blood Creek and Shop Creek. Now the reason we want to do this is very many reasons actually. One of them is we want to remove the restricted flow along the creek, remove all those trees and the dams that they have created so the water continues to flow down into the heart of Cheyenne Bottoms and fill the basins. The other reason is trees in a prairie system just aren't natural. Birds have evolved in their system where they like wide open spaces, so when we have trees in them, they act as visual barriers, and so we don't get as good as nesting or even bird use in the area. Whooping cranes, shorebirds, grassland birds, they all try to avoid trees. So it is our hope to remove all the trees over the next couple of years along Blood Creek and Shop Creek on the preserve. And for Blood Creek, that's about 2 miles worth of stream length. And so it's going to be a major project that we'll be working on in the next couple of years, but it's a huge step forward in restoring the Cheyenne Bottoms Preserve into the natural functioning ecosystem that it should be.